series of quite long cracks down here. There was moss growing out of them. Some of them you could actually get hold of the cement render with your hand, and the steeplejack did that when we did our exploratory work. They just pulled chunks of it off, showing that the bond between the cement and the spire was sort of non-existent in part. It was just being held together like a skin of hard cement over it. And there are cracks here, about 1 centimetre wide, I think 1.5 centimetres in places. And that was not only a danger because the render, which was all about 1 inch thick in parts, on average about 1/2 inch, could have fallen off and damaged the building below and even people, but it was letting water in. And the shillity stone that the spire is made of was getting waterlogged, and you decided the only solution was to take it off. We had to take off the cement render in parts. It was very easy, particularly on the spire. You could just take it off with a chisel and a light hammer. In other parts they had to get more physical with it to take it off, but it came off fairly easily, and they just took it off, put it on the staging here, and then lowered it down in buckets down the side of the pulley.
What's happening?
Bigger off the road.
Oh, is it? Oh, is that video camera, that one?
Yeah.
Hey, great. Brenda.
Hi, Laurie.
Hi, you.
I'm alright.
There is a water one somewhere. Well, we can see a kink in it.
There's no insurance for anybody up here, by the way.
We take it off, what we do, we leave it or we put something back on. So to decide that we render it with lime water, as it was done hundreds of years ago, because lime water breathes, it allows some of the water in, but more importantly, it enables the water, the moisture to escape. And with all the wind you get around here, it's surprising how dry the spire is now. It is much drier now inside than I've ever seen it before. Well, the cement's been removed and we have the new lime render on now. And in terms of, I think it looks better because it isn't horrible black, dark grey cement. The colour is determined by the sand, because lime is white, lime white, brilliant white. So the lime's mixed with the sand, and the sand from here came from zigzag quarries that's the road from Newton to Torquay. So the colour of the mortar was determined by the colour of the sand, which is a sandstone colour. We took the opportunity while the clock face was away to have it re-gilded, and the numerals that are gold, they are gold because it's gold leaf, 22 karat gold. We took all the cement off. We found it was in a pretty bad state of repair. And the philosophy is that we don't restore, well that's what the archaeologists say now, we do minor repairs to try and leave it as it was when he took the cement off. So that's what we've done here, in the expectation that it will last for another 100 years. Oh, it's been a very satisfying project, very frustrating at times, but I'll be pleased. But a safe structure, I don't know how long for, maybe for 100 years. Time will tell. No, I've enjoyed doing it.